Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crab home. First, select an appropriate tank, ideally at least 10 gallons for each crab to ensure ample space. Next, prepare your substrate. A mixture of clay sand and cocoa fiber at a ratio of 5:1 works best for burrowing. Finally, set up 2 shallow water dishes, one with dechlorinated fresh water and one with dechlorinated marine salt water. For your crab's comfort, ensure the substrate is at least 6 inches deep, allowing for proper molting and burrowing. Humidity is crucial. Aim for a consistent range of 75% to 85%. You can achieve this with a tank lid and occasional misting. Also, maintain the ambient temperature between 72 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit using a heat mat if necessary. Remember to always use dechlorinated water for both your fresh and saltwater dishes. The dishes should be shallow enough for your crabs to easily enter and exit without drowning. To enrich their environment, include various climbing structures like kala wood or plastic plants. Also, provide several hiding spots, such as half coconut shells, to make them feel secure. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent mold and bacteria, ensuring a healthy environment for your crabs. Spot clean daily and perform a deeper substrate change every few months. Offer a varied diet including fresh fruits, vegetables, and commercial crab pellets. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Your crabs will thrive with consistent care and attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.